Hello guys, this is Idris Farouk from Marketing with Idris IM show, and today we have a new product on our show that is called Fiverr Profits X. This product is about Fiverr and it's an unique product. The reason I have said that this is a unique product, this is not just like the other products at the moment on our marketplace about Fiverr is you got a gig and then you get how to deliver the orders, but this product is a bit different from them. So why I love this product and why you should buy this product to scale your Fiverr career, or if you want to make a career in Fiverr, I am going to explain in few minutes. But first let's see what the product is. Here is the product sales page, and it says today you are about to experience the easiest and fastest way to finally start a realistic income. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience. That's true. After reviewing this product, what he has said is exactly he has mentioned on his sales page. Let's see what he is going to show on his sales page. The first thing is that he is going to explain about those services which actually Fiverr buyers desperately need. So the point is that this is covering all those hot services, hot niches, hot gigs which actually you need to work on. I have seen a lot of Fiverr sellers it work really hard, but actually they are doing wrong because the niche they have selected has very less buyers. So I always said to my students, especially my Fiverr students, that if you are working on Fiverr, always find a niche which have lots of buyers. So first of this thing hits me, and I think Terence, the product creator, has did really good thing, good work to explain the whole thing, and also mentioned all those tools that you need. Some are paid, some are free, but ultimately, if you are taking Fiverr as a business, you need to invest something. Also, he is going to show you the exact dead easy Fiverr blueprint that he is using personally to make sales every day. So this is something like a semi-automated monthly income for you if you applied his method accordingly. There are many other things that he is telling over here, and this is the product Fiverr Profits X, and there is best thing that you will also get bonus videos with a PDF file. So Fiverr Profit X is the exact profitable and easy to apply method that will allow you to finally start making tons of sales just by delivering simple gigs that buyers will desperately need. So what you will discover in that product is the same method that Terence, the product creator, is using to make lots of money on Fiverr, and how you can get started blazing fast on Fiverr in very short possible time, and the way you can make sales even when you sleep. And of course I told you this is a very newbies friendly, and there is no SEO, paid traffic, or any type of promotion you need for Fiverr, as he explained it very clearly. The method is unique, the product is unique, and I know you are gonna love it. So there is no fluff. Of course, he is showing his real case study, and lastly, he will also show how to scale up your Fiverr business and make even more sales. Okay, this is good. And he has lots of Fiverr Profit X early reviews, and you can see that very good words about lots of real buyers or real reviewers who have actually get the product, review it, and then leave comment about it. So this is an authentic product, and there are some spectacular bonus also. There are few surprise bonuses that haven't mentioned on the sales page that you will get when with your purchase, and they are really awesome. I will show you those surprise bonuses also so that you can understand the value of this product. So the spectacular bonuses is 5 essential things you every Fiverr seller know before they start to work on Fiverr. So, and the best thing, 30 days money back guarantee. You can test it, and if you are not happy, you can ask him for a refund of your purchase. This is 30-day money back guarantee. That's good. And lastly, the product is not a costly product, just under 10 bucks. This is a very good product. The value he has added is really good. The value he has added in his product, I want to show you the download page. So you will get your product, and then you can join Facebook group. Of course, when you will purchase, you can join, and then you have an awesome bonuses of Smart Fiverr Profits by Art Flair, free buy list bonanza by another good guy, and then you will see my product instant Fiverr Profits also there. So this is lots of value for the money he is asking to buy. Actually, this is really good value to your product, and the video trainings that actually step by step of each step of everything that he has mentioned in his Fiverr Profit X PDF. Now let me explain, let me show you an overview of Fiverr Profit X PDF guide. So here is it. Here are table of contents, and you can see that there are few unique things like inexpensive options, the arbitrage method, how to create a gig, that's all. And then at the end there are few bonuses. So this is how, this is Terence, about who is the product creator, and the guy Ilhaj, who is basically marketing the product. So you can see he is explaining with step by step, and also with screenshots where needed. There he also explained where you need to go to get those simple things. So everything is very detailed. You can see everything very detailed, and where you can save money he has also mentioned. He also shows some eBay method. Also he has explained how to make sure that your gigs are purchased. So this is very critical thing, you understand, like step by step, brother. I told you that everything is step by step. There he has told step 1, step 2, step 3, and this is awesome books. So at the end the bonuses, the spectacular bonuses, and he has also mentioned his email to contact. Okay, we have seen the main product Fiverr Profits X. Now there are some one-time offers he has also created for you guys. The OTO one, creating a killer Fiverr profile, and this is a guide which actually contains what profile picture should be used and which one shouldn't, how to make sure their profile gets. If you are my Fiverr customer and you have already bought my Fiverr products, I have explained this thing very detailed. You can get this one, but my interest that you should pick the one-time offer 2, which is done for you gigs, because you can use his gigs to scale your level up in your Fiverr business. So this done for you gigs are, you will get exact titles of your gigs, you will also get exact categories, and also you will get dozen pictures that you can use with your gigs, and description and the other things that you need for your gigs. So this is like copy paste work. All you need to buy the OTO tool, all you need to buy one time offer done for your gigs for Fiverr Profit X, and then everything is great for you. So guys, this product looks very good, and I want to answer few things here, that why you should buy your product, why you should buy these products. So basically, I am recommending a product which is really a good one. So you should buy this product if you want to scale your level up on Fiverr, or you are very new to Fiverr. It actually covers the both areas. First, it show you, being a newbie, how you can start your work, and at the end it explains everything to scale your Fiverr business. The thing I don't like about this product, that the PDF is a little short. It can be I think there can be more things to added, and sometimes I feel that actually he has a lot covered in bonuses videos. So the product creators think that the PDF should be concise and totally to the point. The other thing, that how it can help you, of course, if you have the product, you will learn the exact money methods that the product creator is using, and then if you got a one-time offer tool done for your gigs, you can start work right away. And to match up or add value to your purchase, you know that whenever a product, you know that you need some ranking methods to make your gig hot on Fiverr, and I have 6 ranking methods formula that is called Fiverr gig ranking formula, and I am going to add that product as a bonus with this product. That product of mine is about $27 value, and you can see that my bonuses are more worth than the original products. So this is a full my bonuses are great complement with your purchase. You have main idea of Fiverr, you have done for you gigs, and then if you have my product Fiverr gig ranking formula as bonus, make tons of money. And I have also added few other bonuses that you can see below. The product is going to live at 9 a.m. EST today, so you can get it on early bird offer and save some money. So guys, this is Edris signing off for this review. I hope you like it, and let me know if there is anything I can help in your Fiverr business. Just reply this email and I will love to answer your question. I am not a big guru type, so I don't have an assistant, and I always monitor my emails and reply myself. So have a good day, and I will see you inside. Take care.